Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the door latch and motor assembly in your range, you will first need to move the appliance away from the wall and countertop. Now, unplug the power cord. Next, remove the control knobs. You can use wire or string to help pull them off. Use a flathead screwdriver to help remove the top panel retainers. Now lift the top panel off and disconnect the oven control wire harnesses. Next, remove the screws securing the control bracket. Remove the screws securing the grounding wire as well. Disconnect the surface element wire harnesses and set the bracket aside. Open the oven door and remove the screws securing the bottom of the control cover. Now remove the screws on top and set the cover aside. Pull the gasket free of the glass top. Remove the screws securing the main top assembly. Note the position of the wire harnesses. Then lift the main top assembly up and pull it forward to remove. Now remove the mounting screws securing the door latch and motor assembly. Slide the assembly to the side to release it from the inner panel. Disconnect the wires from the latch to fully remove the old assembly. Install the new door latch and motor assembly by sliding the latch hook through the slot in the front panel. Then slide the assembly under the retaining screw. Replace the mounting screws to secure. Connect the wires to the new latch switch. Reposition the main top assembly, making sure the wire harnesses are properly positioned. Secure the main top screws. Realign the gasket. Reposition the control cover. And replace the screws to secure. Reconnect the surface element wire harnesses. Realign the control bracket. And secure the grounding wire with the screw. Replace the mounting screws to secure the bracket. Reconnect the oven control wire harnesses. Realign the top panel. And replace the retainers to secure. Replace the control knobs. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in and carefully slide the range back into place.